Hello, chorus classes. Earlier this week, we did a forum and we talked about diphthongs, which is where there are two vowel sounds smushed together. We're going to do a warm-up that incorporates the beginning of stormy weather, and so in the next video, we'll start to learn the introduction. The introduction has an oo and an ah. So we're going to start off with our normal ah, a, e, o, oos. Which are not diphthongs because we're separating them. A diphthong is when you run two vowels together. So we're just going to start here, and we're going to do numbers followed by a, e, oos, just like the usual. Ladies, you're starting on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and gentlemen, you're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. 1, 2, ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2, 3, breath. 2, 3, breath. 2, 3, breath. 2, 3, breath. We're only going to do two more. 2, 3, go. And get to the top note. 2, 3, breath. Now we're going to come down on vowel sounds from there. On ah, and ladies, you're on ah. And I don't have that today. 2, ready, go. Ah, a, e, o, oo. Very drawn out. 2, 3, breath. Make sure they're very long and go. Ah, a, e, o, oo. Now with an L, la. Breath. La, le, li, lo, loo. 2, 3, breath. 2, 3, breath. La, le, li, lo, loo. As we get into these lower ones, support your diaphragm and breath. Lots of air on the low notes. 3, breath. La, le, li, lo, loo. 2 more. Ladies, you're up here. La. Ready, breath. And one more. 2, 3, go. The beginning of stormy weather has what is actually a diphthong, where we're going to run the oo vowel into the ah vowel. And we're going to start, I guess, in the middle. We'll move this down and then we'll move it back up. And so the core part that we're going to start with starts on oo and goes to ah. So there's 4 notes on oo and 2 notes on ah, and it sounds like this. Ooh, ah. And don't try to make a W sound, but moving from oo to ah is going to create a wah sound naturally. But you're just doing oo to ah. So here we go. Ladies, you're up here. It's ooh, wah. 1 and 2 and everybody and breath. Ooh, wah. Let's move it down. And 1, 2, 3. There's first note. Go. Ooh, wah. Again down here. 1, 2, 3. Breath. Ooh, wah. Back up. And 1, 2. There's your first note. And go. Ooh, wah. And again. 1, 2. We're going up 3 more. Breath. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Again. Ooh, wah. And 2 more. And 1, 2. Up here. And breath. So now getting into that, we sing the opening 3 notes of Stormy Weather and hold it out. So I'm going to do this in the key that it's written. So we start off with so we do an at the beginning, which is the same notes as Don't Know Why in Stormy Weather. So it's and we're going to hold that for 4 beats. And we're just going to do that because we need to practice our support. So we're going to sing off after 5. Let's start a little lower. 1 and so we're going to sing and hold it. Make sure that you have proper posture. Use your abs and your diaphragm to really support so we can get this, and you're going to hold this note out. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and breath. Great. Ladies, you're here. Again, 1, 2, breath. Great. Off. And again, 2, breath. And again, and 1, 2, breath. 2, breath. And one more, 2, breath. Great. Now we're going to try and do the whole thing. So we're going to take a breath on beat 5 so that we can come back in. But this will eventually all be done in one breath. And so we're going to sing. So we sing ooh, then the 4 oohs coming down, and then ah for 2 notes, and then we stop. And we're going to do this, I don't know, let's do it 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Let's start here. So, 1, 2, ladies, you're here, sorry. 1, 2, breath. And again, and 1, 2, breath. That was really bad piano playing because I was thinking about too many things. Do it again. 1, 2, 3. Good. 2 more. 1, 2, breath. One more. 2, breath. Good. So that is the beginning of the intro to Stormy Weather. We'll learn that whole thing in the next video. And that ooh to ah diphthong is something to practice as we learn this arrangement. See you in the next one.